Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how to use Code.org's toolbox and how to give commands using blocks. Let's begin. So first go to Code.org and click on course catalog. And then scroll down and click on K-5 courses. Scroll down again and click on course A. Now here click on the first exercise in sequencing with Scrat. So if you see here, there's a video on maze programming. So if you want to watch it, go ahead and watch it. If you want to watch it later, link is in the description. Now let's click on continue. Exercise 1. To get Scrat to the acorn, snap the east block to the bottom of the when run block. Then press run. So this is a block and it is used to give a command to a character in the game. So let's drag it and drop it under the when run block. Now let's click run. So Scrat went east once and it got the acorn. So yeah. Exercise 2. Snap both E blocks to the bottom of the when run block to finish your code. Then click run. So let's drag both the E blocks and drop them under the when run block. Now let's click run. So Scrat moved east 2 times. Now he got the block. Exercise 3. Grab a north block from the toolbox and add it to the bottom of the other blocks to finish this code. Then click run. So let's drag a north block from the toolbox and drop it under the east blocks. Now let's click run. So Scrat moved 2 times east and 1 time north and got the acorn. Exercise 4. There's an extra block at the end of this code. Drag it back to the toolbox and throw it away. So let's drag it and drop it on the toolbox. So it is deleted now. Now let's click on run. So it moved south 1 times and east 2 times. So yeah, I hope you guys are able to finish the rest of the exercises in this lesson, and if you want, you can also try the first 4 exercises of programming with Scrat. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.